Homograph. All right, homograph. All right, can you guys, somebody tell me some characteristics that you see in this word, Clara?
It has homo.
It has homo. What's homo?
Same.
Homo, what is it though? I didn't ask, listen to the question. What is it? Yes.
Sound.
What is it? Yes.
Prefix.
It's a prefix. Yes, homo is a prefix. And that's important because when we have prefixes, they each have certain meanings. Now, Clara, what is the meaning of this? This is a prefix. What is the meaning of this prefix? Same. It means same. Very good. All right, what's another characteristic? Something that you notice about this word or something that is familiar in regards to another word you might know of. Mia?
The root word is graph.
The root word is graph. And what do we know about graphs? Do we know anything in particular about graphs? Santana?
Graphs is of knowledge about how much something is.
Okay, sometimes you use a graph to like measure things. Okay. What's something else you know about graphs? Yes?
You can use it to find information.
Okay, you can use it to find, or you can refer to it to find information, but you use it to, you collect information and okay. Yes, sir?
I know a word that has graphs.
What word?
Graphics.
Graphics. Okay, so you said graphics. Let's see. Graphics here. Has graph in it. What are graphics? Okay. You want to elaborate on what he was saying about graphics? Go ahead.
Graphic novels, for example.
Okay, so novels have what in them? Yes.
Like pictures.
Okay, what else? Do they just have pictures?
They're drawn, but they also have words.
They also have words. Okay. I want you guys to open up your devices, and I want you to look up the definition of the root word graph. It's a root word. I love how many of you are remembering to do what I asked you to do without having to have any conversation, because you know that's going to throw you off your focus or someone else. And we need to pay attention to that. We want to respect all of the learners in our community, correct? Okay, so open up your device. Tell me what the root word graph means.
I have Bella's computer.
Okay, you need to solve your problem. Toboy, did you find it?
I don't know.
Okay, Amaya, did you find it?
Yeah.
What does the root word graph mean? Okay, can you speak up a little bit? Because your friends on the other side of the room can't hear you.
It says to write.
All right, so the root word graph means to write. Does that make sense now when you say a graphic novel? Yes.
I knew something when I searched it up that said it was a Greek.
It's a Greek root word, that's right. The origin is Greek. Good job, nice. It's a Greek. So you did that on your own, that's cool, awesome. I love how you guys are exploring and diving deeper. Did you guys discover anything else while you were looking it up? Anyone else? Anyone else? Anyone else? Anyone else? Any other words? Any other connections? Okay, based off of our discovery, someone also look up the origin of homo, the prefix homo for me. Is it Latin? Is it Greek? Find out for me. Did you find out the answer to that question that I'm just asking you right now? Evelyn, could you look that up for me and find out if it's Latin or Greek? Santana, did you find out if it was Latin or Greek?
Yes, actually, I already knew what you would do.
The prefix, is it Latin or Greek?
Yeah.
I love these boards. Each person, you guys are all decorating it differently. You're organizing it differently. Nice. Yes, what is the origin? Did you find the origin, Amaya?
Yes.
What is the origin?
Latin.
It's Latin. Okay, it's a Latin prefix, that's the origin. All right. Okay. All right, so based off of our discovery, I want you to create your definition of this word. You're supposed to be writing that on your boards, right? Create your definition. And your definition can't, I mean, this is your definition, so whatever you come up with, all right? And then we'll share that, and then we'll build our sentences, but then we're going to actually look up the word to get the actual definition. Yes, what's your definition of this word? Okay, then you can get one from this bucket over here. Based off of what we discovered by looking at the characteristics of this word, what's your definition of this word? And give me a thumbs up when you've written down your definition. All right, what's your definition, Addison?
Same written word.
Okay, same written word. Okay, same written word. All right. Mia?
To write the same sound?
Is it sound though? Remember, now we did go over homophone. What does phone mean?
Sound.
Sound. So homophone means same sound, right? All right, so wouldn't it be sound with this because graph means what?
Graph means to
To
write.
write, okay. So go ahead, what were you going to say?
So maybe to write the same thing?
Okay, to write the same thing, okay. Write your definition down, and then we're going to compare to see how closely you got to the actual definition. Yes, ma'am.
To spell two words out the same way, but they don't mean the same.
Okay, to spell the same words the same, but they don't mean the same, okay. All right, okay. Daniel, what's your definition? Words spelled the same, okay. All right. Now what I want you to do, I want you to get a partner, elbow partner, find an elbow partner right next to you. Dominic, you're right next to her, your elbow partner. So if you can touch elbows with that person, then that person can be your partner. All right, so Chloe and Santana, go get one person get a dictionary. This word, be careful. One person get a dictionary, find your elbow partner, go get a dictionary. Amaya, he's your elbow partner, get a dictionary. All right, you two are elbow partners right there, yes. So Lucas can go get a dictionary, or Amaya, you'll get the dictionary. Quickly get a dictionary and see if the word is in our dictionary. Hopefully it is. It may not be. We don't know. We've noticed that some of them are not. All right. Give me a thumbs up once you've gotten your dictionary with your elbow partner. Amaya, you need to get your dictionary because we're moving next to the next task. Yes. Can you touch her? Can you touch elbows with her? Can you touch elbows with her? Touch elbows with Eve. She's your elbow partner. So one of you, oh, Eve's gonna go get it? Okay, great. Perfect. So you can wait. She's gonna go get it and then you'll come in. All right.
Move around now.
All right, guys. What you're gonna do now is you're going to look up the word to compare your definition with the actual definition in the word. Oh, did you almost find it?
I'm really good at not the best.
Okay. So you're looking for
Wait, let's go back to the start.
so they don't have it on here. Then that means if you can't find it in this dictionary, it's probably not in this one. I mean, how many of you guys found homophone in your dictionary? Okay, so if you don't see homograph, because it probably would be above that, right? Then go ahead and Google the word. Google it. Use your devices and Google it. giving it one more chance, okay. Did you find it in yours, Adeline? What did you find homophone in yours? Look up and see. You guys need to be able, you should be able to at least find homophone in there.
No, I'm gonna show you.
All right, girls, did you find homophone in your dictionary, Evelyn? You found homograph in yours? Pause it. Eyes, ears. I see some of your eyes, but not all of your eyes. I see the backs of some of your heads, or the sides of some of your heads. And some of you, I can see the tops of your heads because you're still not looking at me. Oh, now I see everyone. Okay, so in some of our dictionaries, we have 3 different kinds of dictionaries here. And we were unable to locate homograph, but we could find homophone, right? So what's our other resource that we're going to use? We're Googling it. Who located it with Google already? Give me a thumbs up if you've located it with Google already. All right, Zion, what was the definition of homograph? Okay. What's the definition, Adeline, of homograph? Excuse me, ladies. Adeline has the floor. Okay, so they're spelled the same, words that are spelled the same, but not pronounced the same or have the same meanings in some situations, yes? Okay, so how many of you got pretty close to that definition? Eyes up here, eyes up here. Did you hear her definition? Because some of you were talking over there. How many of you got close to that definition? Good. Now, your last task is to do what? What are you going to do now? You're going to write it you're going to write the definition down, and then you're going to write your what? Your sentence, okay? Underline the word. And after you write your sentence, eyes, ears, after you guys are so busy trying to do this test on, after you write your sentence, what are you going to do? Upload it where? To Google Classroom, to your weekly word work. Okay. All right. Good job. When you're finished, take your picture and then erase your board and come back to the room. Yes.